Need to boot someone off your T-Mobile hotspot? There are a few options, each with different levels of disruption. First, the quick and easy method is to have them forget the network on their device. If that's not enough, you can block their device entirely using its MAC address within the T-Mobile app or web portal. Finally, the most drastic approach is to change the entire Wi-Fi password. This will kick off everyone currently connected, requiring them all to re-enter the new password. Choose the method that best fits your situation. Let's walk through how to implement these methods. To make a device forget the network, they must go into their device's Wi-Fi settings, select your hotspot's network name, and choose the forget option. Steps vary slightly between iOS and Android. For MAC address blocking, access your hotspot settings via the T-Mobile app or by connecting to it through a web browser. Find the list of connected devices, identify the device you want to block, note its MAC address, and add it to the block list. To change your password, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings in the T-Mobile app or web interface and create a strong, unique password. Remember, WPA3 encryption is more secure. Monitor your data usage and connected devices regularly to ensure no unauthorized access occurs. Now you have full control.